Cabuzao. Pasco again.
Ano ka ngayon? Ay!
Level now, double team. Pass to Mr. Justin Tantenko. Backdoor pass to Mr. Lacala. Yes. 5 minutes and 12 seconds for the first quarter. Castro, guarded by Lacala. Backdoor pass. Oh. Lacala now, in control, looking for the open. Justin to Russell for 3, short. Rebound Mr. Marquez. To Mr. Cabuzao, 4 and 40. Backdoor pass to Balmaceda. Another deadlock at the ball game, 11 all. Labara, nice break. No good. There's number 71 in control. Cabuzao, another backdoor pass. Marquez, the ball was lost. Labara. Recover the ball, 4-3. Nugget. Offensive rebound, Cervello. Tantenko, break. To Lepera. A good defense, another break. Backdoor pass to Bello. Yes, good for two. Amio, backdoor pass. Intercept by Mr. Lepera. Justin Tantenko now in control. That's a good defense. Good. Iba na nakawak ng bola. Kabusa, Balmaceda. Good pa rin yan. Castro, napag-iwanan. Another deadlock of the ball game, 30 all. Lapit na now. Backdoor pass. Mali ang Pentus. Rebound, jersey number 8. Balmaceda. Marquez. Yes. Change favor, 15-30. Kinaliwa, yes, good for 2. Cabuzao. Put back, no good. 11 rebound, 2 and 38, game clock. It's number 77. That's number 25. Oh, turnover. Then the bar. Bounce pass. Number 7. In and out. Oh, short. Then the bar. Oh! And we'll play.